So this is the second one of the Seagrass nursery, and we're focusing in on the 2 growth containers that we think are performing best and are going to be most practical for transferring from the nursery out onto the seabed. And those are this coir weave matting, which has this sort of weave on the outside and then loose coir fibre in the middle. And the idea is we put a layer of sediment over the top, and the seedlings' roots grow down through the matting and get a grip on it, which means that they get a hold and don't get dislodged as we transfer from the nursery onto the seabed. The other thing that we're using is this human hair matting, which is just felted hair that's been swept up off hairdressers' floors, basically, and it acts the same as the coir matting. But there's some evidence to suggest that as the hair breaks down, it slowly releases nitrogen, so it's a bit like a slow release fertilizer. So we'll see how that does. And the other thing that we're trying is we're continuing with the sediment trials. So we have a mixture of sterile sediment and sediment that we've collected from near the seagrass beds, and we've got different ratios. So some straight sterile sediment, and mixes of the 2 right through to straight natural sediment. And so we'll see how that goes. And then to find what's working best, we measure the seedlings. So we measure the length of the individual leaves on each plant, how many leaves are on each plant, and also the width of the leaves rather. And that gives us the leaf area. And over time, as we continue to measure that on a weekly basis, that will give us the growth rates of the seedlings.